So just the other night I picked up a 25 horse Evinrude. I've got it tied off so it don't fall on the kids. We're going to put this on the boat. We got to go for a test drive. Hopefully this is just what we're looking for. Traded the 9.9 for it with a little bit of cash, $75. I'm getting excited. Welcome to episode number 9. It is now sitting in place. Under the hood looks really clean. That's your water pump. He had it running up to the front of the boat so you could see it squirting from the front of the boat. I'll probably undo that and have it squirting back out of the original hole right here. And I've got to put a gas line on where you hook up the gas tank. What else? Maybe get a new handle for it. But all that can be done after we do a test drive. I'm going to pull it to the shade. Maybe later. Right now I'm thinking about going mud bogging. But maybe pull it to the shade and fire it off. Hang in there. Boat motor update. I've got it on the back of the boat. I've got the fuel line hooked up to the fuel pump. Took the connector off. What else? Oh, and I've got 2 bolts. I need to drill 2 holes. These bolts go through those holes. Emergency bolts so your kicker don't fall off. Or keep some of them still in it. I got the water hose hooked up. I guess it's now time to pump up the gas and see if we can fire it off. Okay, the water is on. This is the choke. And he's the starter. I've got the gas somewhere in the middle. Hit it. Can you lock that down?
Can you lock it down?
Oh, go ahead.
Gotta hold it down until it turns off.
Baby's ready for the river now.
Oh.
Episode number 9 finds us back at the St. Mary's River with the new 25 horse Evinrude. We're going to try to see how fast it'll go.
No. Alright, you may start. Whatever you do.
Okay, the sun is going down. It's nice out here now. We stopped to do a little swimming. And the boy's going to rescue that squash that we threw in. Poor squash is getting away.
Can we cut this?
We're just trolling back to the river, back to the boat ramp. Taking it easy. It's nice and quiet out here. Oh, Cheez-Its, come on. This is a Cheez-Its commercial. Pizza flavored. Maybe in episode 10 we get some lights on the boat, because right now it's starting to get a little bit, well, it ain't dark yet, but it's going to be there soon. If we had some lights, we wouldn't have to worry about it. And we could be looking for gators.
Ready.
This is shout out to Chris Landsaw. I got a 25 horse now too. Here's mine running.
Okay, now do it again, because I'll get closer. Yo, rock out.